In this video, you will learn how to send different content to multiple screens. First, we need to create an automatic campaign. A campaign appears on screen for a limited period of time, so we select campaign duration. After this time, campaign automatically stops. Then we easily target this campaign to multiple screens. There are two ways to target a campaign to screens: ticket screens in the list or selecting multiple screens at once by their criteria. Then we define how often the ads from this campaign will appear on selected screens. So we set the frequency of repetitions. Let's save this campaign to draft and upload ads later. A draft will not appear on screens until it's activated.